there are many sources to learn Git or GitHub, this type of thing. So the main thing is that you must need to understand couple of commands, and you must have to memorize those. If you don't memorize and understand those things, it's very difficult to use those commands. Like how you can access the Git, how to initialize, how to push the like your source code, or how to pull those things, like this type of thing. So there are many videos are there are many tutorials are there are many websites they mention like this. But for my experience, the best source to learn in one page and very easily is this page. This is from Atlassian Bitbucket support page. So basically, if you start typing in Google Atlassian basic Git commands, then you will find this thing. I'm going to show you. I'm going to open Google, and then here Atlassian, I mentioned Atlassian, you can type this thing. Just go to Google and then start typing basic Git command. See here, many people they're searching by this thing. So definitely it is a very popular thing and very good resource basically to learn Git and GitHub. So this is the thing is that Atlassian basic Git command. So if you click here, you'll find the same page, and here you see most of the used commands are there, like how to tell Git who you are, then create a new local repository, then also commit, push, status, okay, branches. Most of the commands are there. So if you learn this type of command and if you practice, then this is enough, I think so, to start your journey. And I will say more than 70-80% Git you already understood very easily by finishing this thing. So this is the big good source. So if you want, you can directly search there and you can start studying from this command. You must have to memorize and you must have to understand two things. You must need to use Git on any environment. So that's it. In this video I just mentioned, like I will show you what is the best source to learn Git commands. That's why I just give you this thing. This is a very small video, and in the video description I will also add this link so that you can directly click over there and you can access this thing.